Hi, we're here at the 2024 NXL World Cup in Florida, Orlando. I'm here with the owner of Planet Eclipse, Ledz. Hi, Ledz.
Hi, how you doing?
Good. How are you?
Good, thank you.
You're welcome. So, wir sind hier 2024 NXL World Cup in Orlando und ich interviewe gerade den Besitzer von Planet Eclipse, Ledz. Und uns beiden geht's gut, wie wir gerade gehört haben. Und wir gucken jetzt mal, was es hier an Neuigkeiten gibt. We will check what we are seeing on new things here.
Well, I want to interview you. Can I do that? Yeah, let's do that.
Er möchte mich interviewen.
Come on, Elaine, get in.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay, right.
Okay,
So,
okay.
right. Okay, so it's 2024, day one,
Yeah.
World Cup.
World Cup.
So this is the first time you've been to America.
Yeah, first time
Okay.
America.
And as so far, you've literally walked 50 feet and walked straight into the Planet booth.
Yeah.
We're not even open yet, by
Yeah.
the way. So
Sneak peek, but
Sneak
yeah,
peek,
I
okay.
think I already discovered one of the highlights.
Yeah.
So for me personal, I see a lot of cool things around.
okay,
but-
so you're going to go around and do some interviews with different people.
Yes, we do. That is the plan. We just want to see every booth. We want to see everything.
Okay, and so you're going to go and show the public what's going on who can't be here at World Cup. Yeah, and you're just going to show them the new cool stuff and stuff that's going on, because usually at World Cup there's usually cool stuff happening in different booths. People pull out all the stops to be, to show their products, and you're going to go and show it to your audience.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
that's
yes.
correct.
Okay,
Yes.
and where will they be able to find all of this? I mean, to be honest, it's one of those stupid questions where if they're watching this, they've already found it. But,
Yeah, but-
you're going to do an English version and a German version, I believe.
This was definitely the plan, to do an English and a German version. We're looking forward how it will go.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. And what you're excited about?
Seeing all the players, the atmosphere at
Yeah,
first. So
yeah.
because first time at the World Cup, so
Okay.
soaking off the energy
Okay.
and
Favorite
yeah.
team?
I need to say Belladonna, of course, because
Because you
it's
played
so
for
close.
them.
Because I played
Yeah,
for them,
yeah,
it's so
yeah.
close.
Well-
But the next thing is I really like the Tauntauns because of the movie as well.
Yeah,
that helped
amazing.
a lot. Amazing.
George Faber smashed it out of the
And
park.
Blastcamp. I saw Blastcamp because
Yeah?
it was a team I found on YouTube first, and it got really interesting.
Okay.
Yeah, looking
and
forward.
who's your favorite team?
My favorite teams, definitely, I would go for Tauntauns as
Right.
well. You know,
Okay. European flavour.
Absolutely. You know, we're
Even though
European
they're
based.
French.
Yeah.
Oh my God, you're right, and I'm German. Well, it works
Yeah, well,
out.
yeah,
It works
okay,
out
okay.
somehow.
Pretty nice
so
guys.
yeah, that's kind of cool. San Antonio X Factor, somebody I would like to see.
Yeah.
You know, so
Oh, yeah.
infamous.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So who's the player that you've done this for so many years now that I'm not even going to ask you this question. So Elaine, who is the player that you will be the most starstruck when you see?
Oh, probably main thing is Rain Greenspan.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Because it's like a phase you're pretty much find pretty quick when you
Yeah.
dive
I
into
mean-
that topic of paintball and professionals.
He's been so good for so long.
Yeah,
That,
yeah,
he's
exactly.
like he's one of the he's always
Yeah.
there, and he's a good
Yeah.
lad. Are you going to get your immortal card signed?
Yeah, hopefully. I have all my cards with
Yeah,
me,
yeah,
and
yeah.
looking forward to
Okay.
get that signed.
All right, good.
Yeah.
Well, have a great time, and good luck.
Thank you for
Thank
the
you, Ledz.
No
interview.
problem.
Yeah, we do. Cool. Thank you.
Ich bin nicht begeistert. Sie haben gesagt, komm nach Orlando, genieß die Sonne, genieß. Oh mein Gott.
Hello, everybody. We're in the infamous booth, and who am with you?
Quentin McInnes.
Okay. And you're a player, a visitor?
Just a visitor this time. Yeah.
Oh, okay, this time. So it's not your first time?
This is my first time.
It
yes.
is?
Hopefully I
Yeah.
come
Same
back
for
to
me,
play.
same for me. Soaking up the energy and, yeah, being on the great World Cup. Yeah.
Yes.
So what's your plans for, what you're looking forward to see?
We're going to watch the pros this weekend and
Yeah,
hopefully
definitely.
get some ideas.
Yeah. Who you cheering for?
Everyone.
Everyone. Yeah, just
Oh,
paintball,
yeah.
just
Yep.
loving it, and yeah, loving the boys and girls. Yeah, cool. Yeah. You have a favorite women's team this time?
I do not.
Yeah.
No.
Just
I've-
enjoying.
Yes.
Yeah. Then, if you don't mind, just go for Belladonna.
Okay.
Okay. So then, what's your name again?
Quentin.
Quentin. Then, thank you, Quentin, for the quick interview. Thank you, and yeah, see you later, maybe. Bye.
So we just ran into Tom Cole, president of the NXL. Hello, Tom.
How are you?
Good. How are you? How are you?
Doing great. Doing great. Short of a little rain this morning, but what's a paintball tournament without a little rain?
True that. You know, they told me I come to Orlando, sunny weather and a little bit of alligators, but it's
still got
rain
the-
all over the
We
place.
still got the alligators. But yeah, it's called the Sunshine State. But yeah, we get a little rain occasionally.
Okay, great, cool. So, how many teams are we seeing here at the World Cup 2024 NXL?
So right now we're like 575. We'll probably end up around 680, somewhere in that range.
680.
680.
Oh my God, biggest tournament ever, is it?
It potentially could be. Yeah, last year we ended up at 675. So we'll see. It's going to be close.
Wow, very, very amazing. Very looking forward. What is the favorite thing this year's World Cup for you here?
I want to see how the Latin team does, and you know I'm a big fan of the whole having the whole world play the World Cup. So we'll see how the international guys. That's really what I'm looking forward to.
Okay, great. Thank you. We might get in touch with you a bit later as well over the next couple of days. Thank you
here
so
all-
much.
Nope. Thank you for coming.
Okay, wer uns gerade hier über den Weg gelaufen ist, auf dem 2024 NXL World Cup, ist Stephan Hunger, Organisator der German Classic Open. Hallo, Stephan, schön dich hier zu sehen.
Ja, hallo Stefan, ich freue mich, dich zu sehen.
Ja, sehr gut. Das dynamische Duo. Frage, was haben wir nächstes Jahr von den German Classic Open zu erwarten? Was geht?
Bisschen mehr als letztes Jahr. Es ist eine Serie geworden, du musst aber nicht alle 3 Events spielen, du kannst dir auch das Schönste raussuchen. Alle 3 sind schön. Wir starten mit so einem Hybrid Field in Bad Breisig, dann geht es auf die Paintball-Fabrik nach Montabaur, dort geht es richtig klassisch in den Wald. Und dann was ganz Verrücktes, wir spielen mechanisches Sub-Airball auf der Paintball Base in Solms. Kannst die ganze Serie spielen, kannst aber noch ein Einzelevent spielen, such dir raus, was dir gefällt. Relativ günstig.
Alles klar, sehr cool. Was machst du hier auf dem World Cup?
Ich lasse mich inspirieren, dass ich für 2026 die Paintball-Weltherrschaft an mich reißen kann und eine Gegenveranstaltung aufbauen kann. Nein, Quatsch. Mein erster World Cup, ich wollte es unbedingt mal sehen, relativ kurzfristig entschlossen, vor 10 Tagen, alles gebucht. Bin alleine hier tatsächlich, muss ich mit niemandem arrangieren, das ist total super. Und spiele aber trotzdem Paintball. Ich spiele mit Beast Mode, 5-Mann Mounts und 10-Mann Sub-Airball und mit Indiana Storm Division 3 X-Ball und werde es wahrscheinlich tierisch auf die Fresse kriegen. Aber schauen wir mal.
Sehr cool. Wie, erster World Cup. Du spielst auch gefühlt schon seit 20 Jahren plus 30 Paintball und jetzt erst auf dem World Cup. Was ist schiefgelaufen?
Was ist schiefgelaufen? Ja, ich bin ja schon lange dabei, aber diese lange Pause von 2008 bis 2020 hat mich einfach daran gehindert, hier mal da zu sein. Letztes Jahr waren wir ja schon in New York, haben dort das WCPL-Event gespielt, auf dem ersten World Cup-Feld von 1993, als ESPN das Ganze gemonitort hat.
Da war ich vor Ort. 93 war mein erster World Cup. Ja, noch in New York. Yeah, endlich konnte ich das auch mal droppen.
Genau, das Ponderosa Field, also legendär im Wald, epische Schlacht, 200 Meter langes Feld, aber jetzt mal hier mit den großen Spielen und mal wieder ein bisschen Demut lernen. Deswegen bin ich hier.
Alles klar, wir wünschen dir viel Spaß und viel Erfolg.
Danke.
Hi, Tomo.
No, thank you. I don't talk to strangers.
Well, that's not nice. Who are you and what are you doing here at Planet Eclipse?
I am the event manager and I run this town.
Okay, so you're responsible for this amazing setup?
Not me solely, me and my setup crew. Yeah, we come in early, build it all up, get it all ready, and then hopefully make everybody happy throughout the week.
Absolutely great. So how long will it take to build a setup like this?
With our efficiency, we did it in about 2 days, but still a little couple of teething things, but nothing that people will notice, so just what I know.
Okay, great. Amazing. And how long will it take, say, 2024 NXL World Cup is over? When do you start focusing on the next year's World Cup?
Me personally, probably about
Yes.
March. I'll start building up towards getting things ready. Anything that I haven't liked this year, I'll start putting into plan, start booking houses, villas, probably 5 months before the event, and then the last month is where it really kicks off.
Okay, great. Thank you so much for giving us this
You're
little
welcome.
in-depth. Thank you.
No worries, thank you.
Das sind gesammelte Verschlüsse von Energy Drinks. Oh my God! From the Planet Eclipse Techs. All the energy for the players. Now we will have a sneak peek into the front office of our great Planet Eclipse technicians. Come with me. Here you see, first day, game hasn't started yet. People want their guns to be checked.
all the way back and just boom and smash into her. So it's going to be a thing at some point.
I think it will get a little bit more busy during the weekend. As we heard, over 680 teams will be here. So, no, leave it open. So, who are you and what are you doing here?
I don't have my name tag. I'm Jade. I'm a technician at Planet Eclipse. I also am in production, so I make Emacs and E3Ms. Right here we have a card machine full of our immortal trading cards. And I think with every purchase this year at World Cup, you get to pick one.
Look there! Look over there!
No!
Shit! Didn't work.
Can't lose my job.
No, we don't want that. We want you to building all the awesome guns in the future.
Yes. Yes, you do.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Have a great day.
I've got a big rogue with that one. I don't know. I feel like it works. I haven't really got a little hobby. Yeah. Okay. Right. Hold all sail. Well, it's the instead of putting out more sail, what I'll do when we get time.
You need some? Wir haben von Planet Eclipse 5 dieser super seltenen Heavy-Holo Cards bekommen, alle unterschrieben. Und wer eines unserer Social Media Videos liked und shared, also teilt und liked, wird in die Verlosung kommen von einer dieser Karten. Also seid dabei.